welcome back to Lantern Creek Farm. Today we're going to do farm chores on this rainy day.
Yay!
Alright y'all, we're heading out to the farm. We got us some sausage biscuit and some pop, and we're going to do some farm chores on this rainy day. We'll see how much we can get done. See you at the farm. Alright, let's see who's meeting us at the gate today. We got Mo, Nala, Cammy, Edie, and Baby Bop. Alright y'all, we're in the barn and we're gonna get our chicken feed first. I'm having to improvise with this empty tub here because Andy ran off with my bucket. So let's get this chicken feed in. We have wet chicken feed that we soak, and then we have dry. I've got 14 chickens in my big stock pen, so alright, we got our chicken feed done. Now let's move on to our goat feed. Let's work on our goat feed. So I do 6 pounds for our 5 goats. Our buck gets 2 pounds of feed for himself, and then each one of the girls gets a pound of feed. I've done lost count. I don't do this on every feed, but I do it at least once a week or a couple times a week. Goat minerals. I used to leave their minerals out free choice, but I don't have, where we're such a wet area here, I don't have a good place or haven't found a solution to keeping it dry. So I just do about yay much. Sprinkle it on the top, mix it in, and do about the same amount again. Sprinkle it on the top, mix it in. Let me get her zipped back up, throw it in here. We take this with us because we're going to give them all a pound apiece. Well, the buck gets 2 pounds. Next, we get our rabbits feed together. We got 2 rabbits, they get about this much. And then we get them a little small flake of hay to put in their pen with them.
For my rabbit feed, we do alfalfa pellets and corn. And we'll give them some hay with it, and sometimes if they need it. So, this is all my rabbits get, besides water.
Alright. We got our improvised bucket of chicken feed, goat feed, and rabbit feed. We'll head out and feed our part of the animals.
Hi, Nala. And here's Jimmy. Jimmy Lee. Sorry.
Everybody's eating their grain. Now let's go on to the rabbits and the chickens. Lakin typically feeds the rabbits and the chickens. At least the rabbits. Sometimes I feed the chickens. She gets the rabbits, and so she'll give them some hay and their grain. We're gonna go feed her rabbits.
I don't think they need hay today.
Go ahead and put it in. I need hay. Make sure you check their water and clean the water out, please. Chick, 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 chick. She's got the water changed out. Putting fresh water in.
Now let's go check the eggs.
Got any eggs today?
You got one egg and it's new laid. It's still hot.
All right, just one egg today. All right, we're gonna release the chickens now. Let's see who comes out first. All right, baby chick. Little rooster. Mooney. Another chick, another chick, another chick.
Looks like all the older ones are gonna stay in there.
Yeah, they ain't wanting to come out from that feed yet. Looks like Mooney's having second thoughts. She's going back in. Alrighty. We got our grain and done, and now we're gonna do our hay. Got 5 goats, so it's 5 flakes of hay. Alright, we've got everybody hayed and grained. Now it's time for water. Watering has got to be my least favorite chore in the wintertime. I don't really mind graining and haying. Sticking your hands down in that wet water, especially when it's frozen over and got ice in it. Whoo, it'll freeze your hands off. And carrying them big buckets of water, and sometimes they spill down your leg, and then you're wet for a long time or pretty much the rest of the day. So anyways, let's go get some water. I'm just having to top off one water barrel today, so to just take these two. But back here is our big water trough, and that's where our horses used to get water, and we fill that up when it gets low, and that's how we feed all the rest of the chickens and the goats, and all their waters is out of these waters. So we'll fill up the goats' waters, and then we'll go check the chickens' waters, and we've done filled up the rabbits' waters. So hopefully this is all the water we got to gather today. Oh. Well, we've got our waters filled. We've got this bucket, this one, and then right here is one of those mineral tubs that you buy at Tractor Supply and stuff. And it was getting low, so what I did is fill it up with water. So they drank that every once in a while. They hit that up, and it's mineral water. And they like it. Alright, y'all, thanks for hanging out with us today as we do a little bit of our farm chores. We got rained out and snowed out and just a mix of weather today, but we appreciate y'all hanging out with us, and if you'd like to watch more videos, just like and subscribe. Bye.